In this video, I am going to explain about combined mean. Suppose if we have the arithmetic mean and number of items of two or more than two related groups, we can compute combined average of these groups by applying the following formula. So formula for combined mean is x12 bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. First, this x12 bar is nothing but combined mean of two groups, and next x1 bar is arithmetic mean of first group, x2 bar is arithmetic mean of second group, and this n1 and n2 is nothing but number of items in the first group and number of items in the second group. So this is the formula for the combined mean. Now we'll solve an example. Here we have an example. The mean height of 25 male workers in a factory is 61 inches and the mean height of 35 female workers in the factory is 58 inches. So we have to find the combined mean height of 60 workers in the factory. So what is given? First we have mean height of 25 male workers in a factory is 61 inches. So first mean value is given, that is 61 inches, and number of items is 25. Similarly, second mean value is given, that is mean height of 35 female workers in the same factory is 58 inches. So second mean value is 58 and number of items is 35. So we have to find the combined mean height of 60 workers in the factory. So first we will write the formula. So formula for combined mean is x12 bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. First we will find out the values of n1, n2, x1 bar, x2 bar. So first, what is n1? n1 is number of items of first group. See here mean height of 25 male workers is given. So number of items here is 25, that is 25 male workers. And second, n2 mean height of 35 female workers. So n2 value is 35. Similarly, mean value for the first, that is x1 bar, is the mean height of 25 male workers in a factory is 61 inches. So mean, that is x1 bar is 61, and second mean height of 35 female workers in the same factory is 58 inches. So therefore second mean value, that is x2 bar, is 58. So now the total number of workers is, so we have to add n1 plus n2, that is nothing but 60, right? So the total value is 60. Now apply all the values in the formula, we'll get the combined mean value. So x12 bar is nothing but n1, so what is n1? 25 into x1 bar is first mean value, that is 61, plus n2, that is 35, into x2 bar second mean value, that is 58, divided by n1 plus n2, that is 25 plus 35. So total is 60. Now we have to solve this. So if we multiply 25 into 61, you will get 1525, plus next we have to multiply 35 into 58. So the answer is 2030 whole divided by 60. Add these two values, so you will get 3555 divided by 60. So the answer is 59.25. This is the combined mean value of the two groups. Thank you.